learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是Bingo Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。I think I smell something again. 有闻到有好像要煮饭的味道了。
啊，有闻到香味哈。
虽然你没有真的在煮，但是我感觉 Leo 好像要谈。
因为我身上有那个天然的香气，是吧
I can tell that Leo's going to teach us how to cook up another dish today. 所以今天呢是要介绍什么小品呢，还是什么知名的大餐呢？
今天要介绍就是客家鹹豬肉。
这个就必定要吃的啦，客家餐厅里面一定要点这个啦，客家咸猪肉。
客家鹹豬肉。
客家鹹豬肉，鹹豬肉 is the salty marinated pork Hakka style。
嘿呀，超嘎。
怎么做？其实咸猪肉它应该要腌制很久啊，对不对？
对，一般来说是这样子啊，因为在以前来说，以前没有冰箱啊，所以就必须要把那个肉啊，用那个很咸的很多盐巴去把它腌过。不过现在比较不会这样子啦，现在冰箱那么方便，对不对？然后呢，大家又注重养生，所以嘞，现在我们就来教一个简单的、简易版的客家鹹豬肉。
I like that. That makes sense. Okay. Traditionally, when they prepared the salty marinated pork back in the days without a refrigerator, by marinating it in salt, of course, you can extend the life of the meat. But now with the refrigeration everywhere, and we want to eat healthier, we're going to teach you how to make something that's simpler. Okay. 所以这个腌制就不用那么的搞纲的，对吧？
对了，就是比较简化一点了哈。
好，
客家鹹豬肉的材料我们就準備3層肉。
3層肉就3層肉嘛。
對，3層肉。
Okay, that's the bacon pork, if you will.
好，然后準備一些米酒。
米酒啊。
對，這樣去腥味。
Rice wine. 不要直接喝哦。
对。然後呢，準備鹽巴鹽。
鹽 of course, salt. 還有胡椒吧？
胡椒粉也要一些，會比較香一點。胡椒粉。
Okay, that's pepper. And 大概要腌制多久呢？现在
大概3天左右，3、4天左右，
所以还是要3天啦。OK， 以前可能还要风干什么等等，可能1个礼拜的过程啊，你就把它简化成2、3天。
对，2、3天就可以了。
The marination still takes about 2 to 3 days, of course. You just put it all together, and it will taste so good, especially if you have rice. 这个下饭非常下饭的一道菜了。
对啊，不管你是要用烤的，用poye,
OK, if you want to grill it.
或者用煎的，用剪的
，or if you want to pan fry it.
都可以。
对，没错。Again, it's 客家咸猪肉。
客家鹹豬肉。
客家鹹豬肉。鹹豬肉 is salty marinated pork. That does it for another great delicious dish right here on Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.